Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Sammy from DIY Speed Garage. It's been a while since I put out a video, but I'm gonna start putting out more videos. I've just been busy with life and everything. Anyways, a while back I showed you guys I had my Rome Adventure Company 95 liter rugged hard case, and I showed you how I made my own mounts for the GX. Not mounts, but tie down straps. There was no options out there on the market, and basically I wanted to make sure, you know, I kept the thing watertight and everything, so I didn't want to drill any holes into the bottom of the case, you know, to tie it down. So I made my own little straps. I'll put a link in the description, or I think there will be a banner. You can click on that if you're interested. But anyways, a few months after that, I got an email from Rome Adventure, and I found out they're putting out mounts for the rugged cases. They're called rugged mounts, and I actually bought a set for my case, and it's been sitting in my garage for a while. I just haven't had the time to install it. But yeah, I always prefer, you know, the easy plug and play option, you know, that looks the best, and this definitely looks good. Plus it's lockable. You can put a lock on there so no one can steal your case or anything like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it today, show you guys how I'm installing it on my GX, and see how we secure it and everything, and then give you a little review, you know, of the item. So let's go ahead and dive into this, guys. Alright, you guys, so as you may remember, this is the strap that I made from the video, I think it was last year. Basically, this ties down to the crossbar and secures it. I got that on both sides, so I'm going to get rid of this, and this is basically going to be the replacement. They're the rugged mounts for the 95 liter. They got different sizes. I think they have one for the 83 liter. So, but yeah, it comes with all the installation hardware and everything. Should be easy to install. Let's see. Basically, you've got two of these. Let me take them out of the plastic real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and set everything up. Got these out of the box. So you got two of these. These are the rugged mounts. So basically, one goes at the front, one goes at the back, or at either end. And basically, this thing right here latches on to this thing right here, like so, and then this clamps it down, tightens it down. So they come with two of these, a bag of carriage bolts with nuts and washers, and two of these. These go on the case. I already mounted one of these. I went ahead and took off my old mounting straps, and I installed one of these. It just basically slides on. I'll show you guys on this side. I had this little felt to protect the case from my old straps, so it actually worked out nice, because now it's still gonna protect the case from this. Not that this will damage it, but it'll make it nice and tight, basically. And when it slides on just like that, you know, makes it a little bit of a tighter fit. So you might want to get some of this felt stuff. Anyways, my case is empty right now because I don't want to be lifting up a heavy case onto the roof rack full of stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up there and start installing it. All you need is an 11mm wrench to tighten up these nylock nuts, which is how you secure this to your roof rack crossbars. So that's all you need basically. Put the carriage bolts in, position this, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get up there, check out exactly where I'm going to mount these, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I had to take off this bracket for my shower tent so that I could slide in the carriage bolts for the rugged mounts. I'm going to secure them with two carriage bolts on each side, and basically get the one side on first, and then, because for some reason this rugged mount is not flat, get the one side on first, and then you'll have to push down on this end and then get your washer on and your nuts basically. I don't know, I guess this could have probably warped during the heating cooling process. I don't know, whenever it was manufactured, but it's not a big deal. So, oh, and another thing, these washers have a smooth side and a rough side. I recommend you put the smooth side facing down, just so you don't scratch up the finish on the rugged mount. These are a really nice material. I think they're steel. I don't think they're aluminum. You'll find information on the website. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, let me go ahead and put these two nuts on, and then once I have this one on, then I can bring the case, put the case, and kind of get an idea where the other mount is gonna go. So hang tight, guys. Alright, so I pretty much have everything mounted up. I bolted down the rugged mounts, and whenever you install the mounts, you want to make sure that your case is as close as possible to these little spacers or whatever, or holders. You don't want too much space between this and the case. That way you'll minimize the amount of play you've got. Even though this will clamp it down, you still want to make sure, you know, you have the least amount of space between the case and this. So whenever you space out the mounts, you adjust them, make sure, you know, they're as close as possible. So this is how I've mounted the bolts back here, the bolts in the washers. It's very, how can I say, custom mounting friendly. You know, you can mount it in many different spots and ways. So they've cut out plenty of grooves, and as I'll show you in the front, yeah, there's many mounting positions for this. So basically, you put your case on, you got this is in the, not an open position. This has to be like this, and then this extends. You see, when I pull down on this, So you gotta have this down, then you put this over, and then you can adjust this right here. This little thing screws in and out, so it can be adjusted up or down, this little arm. And once you got it at the right position, you tighten down this right here, this little nut. So right now I have it adjusted nicely so that it clears this, and then once you have it over, you pull on this, pull it up, and then it will, there's a little lever right here, it has to snap in. Once it's snapped in, you're good to go. So right now it's snapped in, and this can't come out, and you can't pull on this unless you squeeze this little lever right here. That'll release, and then this can come off. So basically push up and that pulls down, and now it's secure. This thing isn't going anywhere. Very nice and clean. You still have access to your bottle opener. It's got the little, you know, holders right here on the side as well. So basically you can lock this up right through this right here to secure it so no one can steal your case. Plus there's locks on the case itself. On each one of these latches there's locks you can put on. There's little holes for the locks. You have to get your own locks. So let me show you what I did in the front. Stay with me, guys. Alright, so this is the front mount. I have it towards the front of the vehicle. I had an issue with this little arm being able to open because of my solar panel. So what I was able to do with the mount was use the different holes, and I'll show you. You see I did it on where it starts to slide, you know, upward. That's how I mounted that, and I was able to adjust the mount this way so that this little arm could clear my solar panel. And same thing as the other side. Once you get this over, you just secure it. You see, this is the little nut. I gotta actually adjust this down a little bit. Oh wait, that's up. Right there. That's the spot. For now, I lock it down. You can tighten it also with a wrench. I don't know if it's necessary, but so now I've got it over. Lift on this, it pulls down on the little arm, and now it's secure. Actually, it's kind of loose. I might go down one more. I'm gonna turn it one more time. Alright, now it should be good. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good. That ain't going anywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Same thing on this side. You gotta get it as close as possible to your box so there's a little bit of play. I mean, so there's the least amount of play. In my case, there's no play at all. And yeah, definitely recommend this thing. If there's an OEM solution from the manufacturer, then go for it. So another cool thing I wanted to show you guys was whenever your case is not in use, I mean the mounts are not in use, these come out of the way. They don't just stick up like this or whatever. They're not just loose. You see it's got a little cutout right here. Basically you put your arm through this and then you just latch it down, and it's not gonna flap around or anything. And then you can use this space for something else, or you know, whenever you don't have your case up there. I don't drive around with my case. I don't need my recovery gear, you know, unless I'm out somewhere. So it's the perfect solution. So you guys, we're finished installing the Rome Adventure rugged mounts for the box, for the case, rugged case. I have the 95 liter, like I said. The mounts are very high quality. I really like them. The hardware included is nice. It's built, the mounts are built nice. And you know, if you don't want to do what I did and use straps, if you want to go all fancy and nice and OEM clean looking, and definitely get the mounts. If you want to save some money and you don't mind, you know, too much about the looks, and you know, you won't have that much security with the, you know, with the straps that I did, because you can't really lock it up. If someone has an 11mm, they can just take off the nuts and then steal your case. So basically, yeah, there's the cheap route to mount the Adventure Rome Adventure case, and then there's the expensive option. They're like $200 for the set of mounts. And yeah, I mean, it's a nice clean solution, and I like it. I like the hardware and everything. I like the quality, so I definitely recommend it. And it's a great addition, you know, to your roof rack system. So it helps you, you know, easily mount and dismount your case and everything. So definitely go for it. I recommend it. I'll leave links in the description for my case, for the organizer on the lid, and for the mounts. And I'll be coming out with another video here in a day or two. It's also kind of like an upgrade video to a video that I've done before. So stay tuned, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your little notification. Yeah, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.